Are you having problems that your BRAC Bank Astha app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how you can fix that it's not working for you. So basically the first thing you need to do is to close the app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. So I'm just going to go into my settings app here, as you can see, and now on this page just scroll down and then you're going to click where it says general. So click on general. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now on this page, I just scroll down in here, as you can see, and then click on storage. And now we just simply need to wait for all the apps here to load. And when it's done, just swipe up until you can see the search bar up top. So click on search, search for the app here, BRAC. As you can see, BRAC Bank Astha right here. So click on it and then click on offload app. And once again, click on offload app in here. Then we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for it to load and then click on the reinstall app button here. And now just simply wait for the app to completely update to its latest version. When it's done, just go back into the app and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.